From robots to smart scales, Bluetooth beauties, and some crazy price drops to kick off the new year, I have you covered, and it's coming right up. Happy New Year! If you're wondering why did I seem more subdued, I'm holding this RoboVac in my left hand, which meant I could not do my celebratory New Year's dance. But you're here to save money, and I respect that. I'm the deal guy, Matt Granite. I hunt down the biggest deals you will see anywhere. And today, for my top 5 deals of the week, we actually have some tie-ins to what's going on around us. We've got the New Year's resolutions, people trying to get fit. Those are actually all trending products right now. And also, of course, with the Consumer Electronics Show right around the corner and a focus on robots, that Robo Mop and RoboVac, which I've profiled now like 2 or 3 times because I love it, is back on sale. What could be one last time? Plus, with the change of seasons, cold, flu, let's start first with one of my favorite humidifiers on the market. Say hello to the Bonico Swiss warm or cool ultrasonic humidifier. Now this can take care of an entire room, workspace, even half a floor of your house, whisper quiet. Listen to how quiet this is. Using a new technology to monitor the temperature and automatically adjust the output when conditions change. This is the best way to not only hydrate the air that you breathe, but this will leave you with skin that looks better, a throat that feels better, and as we change seasons, and there's the coughs and the cold and all that other stuff you don't want to deal with, you can find the Bonico Beauty that I have found at its lowest recorded price by just clicking the link below. Now we're going to shift between fitness, tech, and a few other things. The next deal that I want to showcase is, well, it's tied to my sweet little robot. Mwah! So I love this mainly because it just performs better, and unlike the Roomba, you're just paying for substance rather than the brand name and the aesthetic. I want to show you very quickly how this works in my home. This not only vacuumed and picked up more dirt than any other robot, including the iRobot and Roomba at 3 times the price, but this is also a Robo Mop. One of the only times you will ever see this deal at the price that I found, where you get wet and dry mopping for your home, sweeping, vacuuming, and a great way to cut down on allergens if you live with any types of pets, if you have asthma, breathing concerns. There is no better multifunctional robot you will ever see, and the price that I found is insane. Complete with its low profile design to access all of those hard to reach places under beds, sofas, furniture, and more. You can find my favorite YouTube RoboVac deal of the week by clicking the link below. Now, as we shift to that whole new year, new you, how's that New Year's resolution going? Whether you are looking to be a little bit more healthy this year or just get in better shape, I have a minus 6-pack, if you're wondering, and I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with that. But as a new dad, I care a little bit more about what's going on inside my body. An accurate scale before you base your next bathing suit or eating decision on some arbitrary number should be done on a scale that actually has more sensors, more accurate readings, and then a way to actually chart your progress or lack thereof using a smartphone. Quite simply put, this is the best smart scale I've tested. So I reached out to someone who's also smart, TV's Dr. Derek, for this insight.
I've made a career helping people lose weight, drop body fat, and improve their health, and measuring body fat is the most important thing you can do for long-term results. In fact, so much so, I spent a lot of time and money on very elaborate machinery designed for precision. For the in-home user to get good results, I highly recommend a body fat scale. So much more valuable than a bathroom scale, this will help you attain better results today.
That favorite Bluetooth doctor-approved body fat scale located right under this video screen. Again, expand that video description box to hook you up. Now, the next deal is actually a way to take a whole gym with you in a bag. I'm intimidated by machines, gyms, and older women, but I really dig them. And my first crush was Sharon Stone, and I'm in love with Martha Stewart. That's a true thing. And Michelle Pfeiffer. Anyhow, whatever. So this gym in the bag deal that I have gives you resistance on the go, and it's approved by one of my favorite trainers.
This is fantastic. For those of you that can't have a personal trainer with them constantly, and I understand how that is, and maybe you don't want to go to the gym, it's too cold, this is fantastic. These bands can simulate pretty much any exercise you want to do. You want to work your arms, you want to work your shoulders, you want to work your legs, your core. Bag of bands, it's the best.
Well, you will see many different knockoffs tied to this product. The ones that I have are not only the original, they're backed by warranties and resistance ratings you will not see anywhere else. And more importantly, I found this whole advanced resistance training set as good for a beginner as it is for an expert. Your gym in the bag deal located right under this video screen. Lowest recorded price, and to wrap it up, where's my pancakes? Pancakes! Healthy pancakes. So, I like pancakes, I like waffles, and I like not having to worry about what I'm ingesting. This is actually a really cool product. A little bit more expensive than some of the pancake mixes you'll have, but this checks every box to actually help you lose weight. The fluffy, super lean waffle and award-winning pancake mix is keto-friendly, paleo-friendly. It's free of sugar and all that junk you don't want in your body. You whisk this together, it's absolutely delicious. You just add water, you're not dealing with eggs, and you are getting a beneficial, balanced meal. Yes, you can actually lose weight by eating pancakes and waffles, and you can read all about the studies tied to this. But more importantly, if you want to score this deal, just expand that video description box and you'll be good to go. So, we've got more tech, consumer electronics show right around the corner. For those of you that are not able to go to Las Vegas to go to the world's largest tech show, I'll be there live. So make sure you are subscribed to this channel and that you have your notifications turned on. I'm going to take you behind the scenes. I'm very excited about that. I'm excited to be starting a new year together and saving money. So, thank you for watching. Feel free to leave me a comment. I will be reading them, and if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, click on my head right here. That will subscribe you. If you need help turning on your notifications or leaving a comment, click up there. And that last big roundup of deals I did, it's over here.